Hey folks, my name is Deandre Davis. I'm here at Universal Appliance Kitchen Center here in Torrance off of Hawthorne Boulevard. We carry most of the major brands of appliances. We have everything from GE brand to we're standing in front of our nice vignette here, Fisher Bechtel. I've been doing this for about 20 years and got into the industry because I have a passion for cooking. Let me show you around to the showroom and see what we offer. The Bosch brand is known for their dishwashers, but they also have a variety of other appliances that they offer, which a lot of people aren't aware of. They have ranges, hoods, they have wall ovens, and very popular refrigeration. This refrigerator, no handles, has the acrylic front, so it's easy to clean, and it also has this separate drawer here that's designed for wine. But you don't only have to use it for wine; you can use it for your meat, deli, or beverages. Anything of your choosing, pretty much. But it's a really nice option, nice clean. It'll match a lot of kitchens. This fridge offers an interior water dispenser, so it hides it. It doesn't have an exterior water dispenser. Come see it for yourself at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Torrance.